Join your hands, everyone. Close your eyes. Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Now we'll tell Pradhana.
Yes, teacher.
Now start Pradhana.
प्रार्थना हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम तेरे बच्चे हमें सच्चे अलिफ कर योग करेंगे कर्म करके नहीं रहेंगे सुबह सुबह जल्दी उठकर सभी बड़ों को प्रणाम करेंगे सबका प्यार और शिष्टाचार जिनकी हम शुरुआत करेंगे.
Very good.
So children, good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
We will learn Telugu Slokam today.
Yes, teacher.
So pronounce it properly. Saraswati
Saraswati,
Namastubhyam
Namastubhyam,
Varade
Varade,
Kamarupini
Kamarupini,
Vidyarambam
Vidyarambam,
Karishyami
Karishyami,
Siddhirbhavatu
Siddhi Bhavatu,
Me Sada
Vedana,
Padmapatra
Padmapatra,
Visalakshi
Visalakshi,
Padmakesara
Padmakesara,
Varnini
Varnini,
Nityam
Nityam,
Padma
Padma,
Layam Devi
Layam Devi,
Samam Patu
Samapatu,
Saraswati
Saraswati,
Bhagavati
Bhagavati,
Bharati
Bharati,
Nishesha
Vishesha,
Jadyapaha
Jadya,